do you think about visual art journals, paintings, assemblages and more? If you like it like I do, then you are right here. Hi, I'm Bea Grob and I love to inspire you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So glad you joined me today for another video. I hope you are all doing well. Now, today it's again an art journal page in one of my journals where I work mainly with my products. But before I go into that page here, I want to talk a little bit what's going on in 2025. We are nearly there. And just wanted to let you know that we did stop with the hashtag 3 girls and 12 faces. We decided after so many years it is time to go a little bit more independent and a little bit more free what kind of videos we're gonna produce. The other thing I'm gonna hold on for a while is the collaboration with Lena, but we have talked about that maybe in spring we're gonna go on where we work in each our journals we did send to each other. Then the Artsy Trio, some of you may know already, we're gonna stop this group, this Facebook group where we had the monthly mood boards, but Marie and myself, we're gonna go on with monthly mood boards and the corresponding video collaborations in my other group, Bears Mixed Media and more. So the two of us, we're gonna provide each first Friday a month a mood board, and we also give you some inspiration with our videos for doing your own thing with the mood board. If you are not joined yet, Bears Mixed Media and more, just check it out over on Facebook, and maybe you want to join and want to work along with these mood boards. There are more things coming in Bears Mixed Media and more, but I can't tell you it right now, so stay tuned. The other thing I want to tell you is that in January I probably won't have that many videos, means not the weekly videos. I need a little bit of a break because I'm working on some other projects which I really have to go on right now. So that's it for the moment. Now back to this page. It is this page, not this page. I'm going to put it up a little bit so you can see it a little bit more. Again, I did use one of my stamps from the stamp set. They are still available on my website, www.beagrob.com. I will have the link in the description. There's going to be a little bit caption down here in the blue bar, as always. But this time I decided I'm going to work with a lot of kind of different fabrics and made her a really fun dress. I'm going to put it up right here. Can you see the texture that it has? Yeah. That's what I did. So you're gonna see how I do this dress in the time-lapse that's coming after this intro. As a background, I did use one of my many gel prints I have, which was floating around since I don't know how long. There is a little bit of a metallic sheen, yeah, you can see it. I really did like this background. The greatest joy is creating, that's again, it's a PDF file which you can find either on my website as a free download or over on Ko-fi, whatever you want. Done. I have put these pieces on one of my coffee dyed, no, it was actually a tea dyed because it's very light, the tea dyed standard printer paper, and then I also added a little bit of laces at the end of the page. Here you can see it. Yeah, I really think creating is something that gives you joy, gives you some relief sometimes from problems you are thinking about. So I really recommend doing art journaling as maybe not a daily practice, which I don't do it either, so but a regular practice, like 2 times a week, 3 times a week, whatever fits your schedule. Now, I hope you enjoyed the time-lapse. If there are any questions about the process, just leave them down below in the comments. And I would love to have you as a subscriber if you aren't subscribed yet. And for those who follow me since long, I really want to thank you that you are always coming in and do sometimes nice comments and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Now take care and enjoy the rest of 2024. Take care. Bye.